Today we're doing a YouTube collab for a Facebook channel called YouTube Growth for Small Barbecue Channels. This cook is for Cinco De Mayo. Today we're going to be making this. Chicken Mexicana with Mexican potatoes and Mexican street food sweet corn. And we're using the hashtag Cinco Food. This is also for Cast Iron Wednesday. We'll be using the wood-fired oven and cooking in some beautiful cast iron dishes. The first thing we're going to do is going to pop a trivet in. Let it get warm. The next thing, we've got a nice little bit of cast iron dish here. We're just going to put that in. Let that start to warm up. While we're warming them pans up, we've got a small frying pan. We're going to put that in the back. And another little skillet in the back just to warm up. Skillet's warmed up. I'm just going to put some olive oil in. Put that back in. So first of all, we're going to be cooking our corn dish. So I've just got a couple of husks of sweet corn. We're going to drop them in the pan. Just let them cook away. So we're starting to get a bit of colour on that corn. What we're going to do now is take these corn, just going to cut them off. To this now, I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of butter. Mix it in. Now we're going to pop this into the back of the oven. Next thing to do is prepare our chicken. I'm just going to put a light drizzle of olive oil. One chicken breast that's just been butterflied. Just drop that into our cast iron. Pop it in a couple of minutes. I'm just looking to put some colour on each side of there. While the chicken's cooking, we'll get on with our next dish. This is some Mexican potatoes. So, got our little frying pan. Another drizzle of olive oil. Just got some potatoes that have been parboiled. In they go. Half a chopped onion. And some Mexican spice rub. This is my Dutchy's Mexican spice rub. I'll leave a link above. A good couple of teaspoons there. Just give these a good stir through. And these are going to go into the back of the oven. So we'll start to get a bit of colour on our chicken. What we're going to do now is we've got some salsa. Simply just going to layer that on top of our chicken. Some Jalapeño Peppers. Our Mexican seasoning that really I should have put on top of the chicken, but I've only just remembered, so we'll give that a good sprinkle. Once again, I'll put a link above for this. Got some crushed tortilla chips that I've just slightly broken up. Then some grated cheddar cheese. So what we're doing now is get our trivets out. We'll pop that back in the oven. Into the corn now, 1 chopped garlic clove. I'll get that back in. So this sweet corn's got some real nice colour on now. We're going to take that out and start letting that cool down. One's cooled down a bit. We're just going to go with a bit of spice mix. This is our Mexican spice mix. A little bit of pepper, a bit of salt, a tablespoon of lime juice, a tablespoon of chipotle mayo, give that a good mix. It's just soaking up them flavours, that. I'm going to top that off with half a cup of grated Parmesan. Sprinkling coriander. Time for the chicken to come out. And finally, our potatoes. Now it's time to get plated.